Cheap does not have to mean reliable, and a handful of budget cars are among the most dependable on the road. We're counting down 9 cheap cars that are actually reliable in the UK that you should not ignore, with the #1 reliability champion saved for last. From humble city cars to spacious family haulers, these models earn their place through survey-backed fault rates, not hype. Let's begin at number 9. Number 9, the Kia Picanto, is a brilliant option for anyone wanting dependable, low-cost transport in the UK. With around 9% of owners reporting issues and none left undrivable, it has earned its spot, even taking home Auto Express's City Car of the Year award. You can expect about 50 to 60 miles per gallon, while annual servicing runs between £130 to £220. It is ideal for first-time buyers, but remember, actually reliable does not mean a breakdown-free guarantee. On a cheap used Picanto, condition and maintenance history are absolutely everything. Before handing over your cash, check the MOT history, look for a stamped service book, and carefully inspect wear items like tyres, brakes, and the battery. While this is a great starter option, the outright reliability champion is still to come. Number 8 is the Hyundai i10, which takes us from cheap and good to almost faultless on paper. In the What Car Reliability Survey, this generation scored a perfect 100% rating, with not a single owner reporting a fault. Even better, many used examples still benefit from Hyundai's 5-year unlimited mileage warranty, which transfers to the next owner and provides a massive safety net. It is a brilliant choice for city drivers and first-time buyers looking for maximum reassurance. Just keep in mind that actually reliable does not mean a lifetime guarantee against breakdowns. Routine servicing, checking the MOT history, and inspecting wear items like tyres and brakes remain essential before you buy. This compact hatchback offers incredible peace of mind, but our top-ranked options are still on the way. Number 7 is the Skoda Fabia, a quietly sensible super mini that gives you Volkswagen engineering at a much friendlier price. Built on the proven PQ24 platform shared with the Polo and Ibiza, it benefits from cheap, widely available parts and straightforward repairs. It feels more substantial and mature on the road than smaller city cars, making it ideal for motorway trips, and it easily shrugs off high mileage if properly maintained. Used examples average around £10,000, but older models are available for far less. Remember, actually reliable does not mean bulletproof. A low fault rate is no substitute for a thorough inspection. You still need to verify the MOT history and look for a fully stamped service book before buying. This practical hatchback offers exceptional value, but our top reliability picks are still to come. Number 6 is the Toyota Aygo, a superb choice if you want the smallest possible running bills. This simple, tough little city car offers proven Toyota dependability in one of the cheapest packages on the UK market. Older models from 2013 trade privately for between £2,500 and £3,350, while returning around 60 miles per gallon. Its uncomplicated engineering means fewer things to go wrong, making it incredibly cheap to maintain. However, being actually reliable only means low fault rates, not a bulletproof guarantee. Even an Aygo needs a thorough pre-purchase inspection. Always check the MOT history, look for a stamped service book, and examine wear items like the battery, tyres and brakes. It offers pure, low-cost peace of mind, but our outright reliability champion is still to come. Number 5 is the Mazda 2, which proves that a highly dependable small car does not have to feel dull to drive. While many budget hatchbacks focus solely on cutting bills, this model offers surprisingly engaging steering and character. It backs this up with serious data, scoring about 87 out of 100 on the Warranty-Wise Reliability Index and achieving a What Car rating of around 94%, meaning very few owners experience unexpected workshop visits. Still, even with these strong scores, actually reliable does not mean a lifetime guarantee. Before buying any used Mazda 2, you must verify the service history and MOT records and inspect wear items like tyres, brakes, and the battery. It is the ideal choice if you want low running costs without losing driving personality, but our number one reliability champion is still to come. Number 4 is the Toyota Yaris, the calm, mainstream benchmark for buyers who want a used Super Mini with the absolute fewest headaches. While the Mazda 2 offers a bit more driving personality, the Yaris is all about low-drama ownership confidence. Toyota achieved an exceptional 94.95% average brand reliability rating in UK surveys, with the Yaris frequently scoring perfect marks. It rarely breaks down and is incredibly cheap to maintain, making it the ultimate choice for cautious buyers. However, being actually reliable is never a guarantee against faults. Even a dependable Yaris requires routine servicing to stay in top shape. Before you buy, always inspect the MOT history, check for a fully stamped service book, and look over wear items like tyres, brakes, and the battery. This bulletproof hatchback is a sensible choice, but our absolute reliability champion is still to come. Number 3 is the Honda Jazz, which adds a massive dose of daily practicality to our list, without sacrificing dependable engineering. It combines class-leading cabin space with Honda's legendary, hard-wearing engines that simply run and run. Thanks to cheap insurance and low-cost servicing, it is a brilliant choice for high-mileage drivers, downsizers, and small families who need a compact hatchback to work harder. Honest John ranks it at the very top of its reliable small cars list for its bulletproof mechanicals. However, being actually reliable is never a lifetime guarantee. Even a tough Jazz needs proper routine maintenance to stay healthy. When shopping around, never buy on the badge alone. Check the MOT history for suspension or brake wear, ensure the battery is strong, and look for a fully stamped service history before you buy. But our ultimate reliability champion is still to come. Number 2 is the Skoda Octavia, the ultimate sensible choice for commuters and families who need maximum cabin and boot space without the premium running costs. By using proven Volkswagen Group parts on the modular MQB platform, it offers family-sized practical engineering for super mini money. When properly looked after, these cars easily rack up massive mileage without drama. But remember our golden rule: actually reliable does not mean a zero-fault guarantee. Any cheap used Octavia still needs routine servicing, and where items like tyres, brakes, and batteries require close inspection. Before buying, do not rely on the badge alone. Check the MOT history and look for a fully stamped service record to ensure it has been genuinely cared for. It is an incredible family bargain, but our absolute number 1 reliability champion is up next. And finally, in first place, the Toyota Corolla, earlier sold in the UK as the Auris. This is the overall reliability champion, pairing near bomb-proof engineering with a highly efficient hybrid system. It tops dependability surveys year after year because it is cheap to run, cheap to own, and exceptionally durable, making it the safest long-term choice for commuters and families. However, actually reliable means low fault rates and superb reliability scores, not a guarantee. Even a Toyota requires proper care to stay healthy. Before buying, do not rely on the badge alone. Always check the MOT history, look for a fully stamped service history, inspect wear items like tyres, brakes, and the battery, and consider an independent inspection for complete peace of mind. Across all 9 entries, one truth emerges: simplicity is the ultimate shield against costly breakdowns. The UK used market proves that a cheap car with a flawless service history beats complex, modern tech every time. Choose wisely, check the MOT, and buy on condition. Drop your thoughts below.